Tin lunchbox dented blue, packed with hope and peanut butter too. Didn't know what the world would do with a kid and a dream or two. I still keep it on a dusty shelf, been scratched like my old self. Open it when days feel mean, just to check what's still in me. A tin lunchbox full of dreams, bigger than it ever seemed. Every wish and paper plan fit right there in a child's hand. Mama's note in shaky ink, be good kid and don't overthink. Trading snacks, making deals, buying time between the bells. Funny how the smallest things carry everything. A tin lunchbox full of dreams, leaked a little at the seams, but every dent, every scar shows how hard we want it far. If I could pack it up again, I'd bring less fear, more belief. But I guess that's how you learn what to carry, what to leave. A tin lunchbox full of dreams ain't as full, but still it seems enough to get me through the day and remember why I stayed. Lid snaps shut, world rolls on, dreams still packed, just moving on. Note that never quite comes out, dust and time and quiet doubt. It's been years since anyone played that old tune Papa used to say, still leans crooked, bent and frayed up there. Funny how a broken thing still knows how to sing. Broken harmonica on the shelf still hums a song I hear myself. Every bend and breath it felt ain't gone. Porch nights, one lamp lit, slow blues drifting through the grid. He closed his eyes, lean into it like prayer. That broken harmonica on the shelf taught me more than words could tell, how to lose and still stay held by sound. Maybe it don't play so clean, but neither do most memories. Cracks let all the truth come free somehow. one soft breath, one bent note, broken harmonica on the shelf, keeps the past inside itself. Proof a song don't need to be whole to help. I don't touch it, it still plays. Just dancing in the light, wooden desks and borrowed time, names and dates on fading boards, felt like forever back before. Chalk dust memories on my hands and my head. Lessons more than numbers, all the ones I never read. Hallway echoes call my name. Lockers rust but feel the same. I pass that school on my way home, slow down more than I let. Funny how the smallest signs teach us the longest lines. Miss the bus, erase mistakes, love notes folded in my book. Learn to laugh, learn to wait, learn more than the test. Chalk dust memories smudge the years but stay. Every wrong and every right still grades me to this day. If I could raise my hand again and ask what matters most, I thank those days for teaching me what they never wrote. Chalk dust memories ain't clean, ain't clear, but they still outline the shape of how I ended up here. Bell rings once, then fades away, but the lesson stays. Dusty sunbeam through the old barn door, Grandpa's hat on a hook, worn and torn. I remember sitting on the porch swing slow, hearing his stories in that gentle flow. Old hands resting on brim of his hat, telling me tales of how life was back. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spear. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. The creek still whispers where we used to play. His laugh echoes softly in the end of day. That hat's a shadow of his steady hand. A piece of him still walks across this land. Time moves on, the barn gets old, but that worn hat keeps his warmth untold. I tip it back, remember all he gave. Grandpa's wisdom, his love, the life he paid. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Dusty paws on splintered wood, quiet dreams where hay once stood. Barn cats and childhood dreams, lazy days and wide-eyed schemes. Everything was what it seemed back then. The barn leans left, the paint's worn thin. Cats are gone, but I walk in. Still feel small beneath that tin roof. Funny how a quiet place can still remember your face. Chasing tails in the afternoon, naming stars, inventing moons. Thought the world would come real soon for us. Those barn cats and childhood dreams taught my heart to wander free. Life was just a possibility back then. I wanted roads, I wanted more. Never thought I'd miss that floor. Cold dirt, warm hope, open door. Somehow one soft pearl, one deep wish. Barn cats and childhood dreams still curl up inside of me, reminding who I used to be when sun dips low on rusted beams. I smile and let it be. Dusty sunbeam through the old barn door. Grandpa's hat on the hook, worn and torn. I remember sitting on the porch swing slow, and his stories in that gentle flow. Old hands resting on the brim of his hat, telling me tales of how life was bad. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Creek still whispers where we used to play. His laugh echoes softly in the end of day. That hat's a shadow of his steady hand. A piece of him still walks across this land. Time moves on, the barn gets old, but that worn hat keeps his warmth untold. I tip it back, remember all he gave. Grandpa's wisdom, his love, the life he paid. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Yellow hands in summer green, wishes whispered, never seen. Dandelions of long ago, blue-eyed dreams in rows and rows. We didn't know which way they'd go. We just let them fly. I walk that fence where we once ran. Boots a little heavier now than then. The field feels small, the sky still can hold me. Funny how the smallest things remember everything. Barefoot circles in the yard, counting stars before it's dark. Every wish was falling hard from our hands. Those dandelions of long ago carried hope we couldn't hold. Every seed a story told before goodbye. Maybe some are growing still on roads we never meant to fill. Maybe that's the magic will finds a way. Deep breath, eyes closed tight, let it go. Dandelions of long ago taught my heart what letting go really means and how to grow. In the wind, yellow fades to silver gray, wish don't fade away. Countertop, radio low, never stops. Morning sun through lace curtains, teaching time how to soften. Grandma's apron strings tie the world to me. Every night was love I didn't have to see. Apron folded in a drawer, kitchen quieter than before. Still I swear I feel her near when I tie mine standing here. Funny how the smallest thread pull you home instead. I took twice when days fell long. She'd hum half a gospel song. Didn't know what safe could be till those strings were holding me. Grandma's apron strings wiped my tears in hands, taught me how to face the world by how she'd stand. If I ever lose my way or forget how kindness claims, I remember who I am by those worn out strings. apron strings never let me go. Even now they're guiding me more than they'll ever know. Naught comes loose, love still brings. Home feels like strange. Cobweb corners, cedar smell, rusted latch that knows me well. Light slips through in broken lines, like these words out of time. Forgotten letters in the shed, never meant to disappear. Just waiting on a braver day to finally be heard. Read them slow, then read again. Ink still dark, but hearts grew thin. Names I was but never said, in the life I almost led. Funny how the truth can hide in plain sight all this time. Too heavy to let go, folded tight then set aside. Promises I never tried. Forgotten letters in the shed, carried all I couldn't say. Every line I left unread still found its way. If I'd sent just one of them, would the road have been? Or are some truths meant to wait until they're memories instead? Though forgotten letters in the shed ain't regrets, just proof I loved deeper than I lived, and that was true. Door shut slow, dust is red, letters rest again. Dusty roads and a faded sun, where laughter lingered and days were young. I drive these back roads slow tonight, the fields all golden in the fading light. Old barns and fences, memories they hold, stories of a life we once called gold. Back roads to yesterday, I ride again, the songs we used to play, and see the faces that never stayed. Even the sunset feels like a friend, guiding me gently to the places I've been, through the dust and the time that slips away. I chase the back roads, I can't let them stray. Back roads to yesterday, I ride again through the echoes of laughter and old friends. Every mile takes me where I long to stay, on the back roads to yesterday. Laughing rides on dusty air, the wheels complain but don't care. Going nowhere, getting there on memory lane. I pass that field on a county road. Corn's all gone, the barn's been sold, but every fall my heart still knows that sound. Funny how a simple ride can take you back in time. Harry rides through memory lane, straw in our hair, laughing in vain. Old songs hum in the wooden frame of a trailer pulled by yesterday. Friday night, flannel and boots, hands held tight under harvest moon. Cold air biting, hearts brand new. Back then, those hair rides through memory lane, bumpy roads, but we love the pain. Every mile a name we claim on memory lane. If I could climb back on that ride, I wouldn't ask for a smoother line. Just one more laugh, one more night in the dark. Lanterns sway, someone sings, stars lean in to listen. Finally rides through memory lane, they don't roll forward We'll slow down, but the ride stays. Rattling seats and dusty roads, laughter loud, nobody old. That yellow sound still follows me, echoes of the old school bus. I drive my kids past that same bend, same tall trees but thinner friends. They wave goodbye with sleepy eyes, and I swear I hear my younger self inside. Echoes of the old school bus carry dreams and trouble dust. Every mile we learn to trust who we were before we rushed. Backpack, heavy pockets like bubble gum and paper fights for crushed notes on folded lines. Last stop meant we still had time. Didn't know those noisy days were the quiet ones I'd crave. Echoes of the old school bus, every joke, every fuss, now they live inside my head long after those roads are dead. If I could ride it one more mile, I'd sit back, shut my mouth and smile. Let the future wait its turn. Let those lessons take their time. Still teach me here and now how to laugh and slow it down. Engine hums then fades away, but those echoes always stay. Checkered cloth on summer grass, lemonade and clouded glass, church bells fading down the road. Nobody's in a hurry, it's a Sunday picnic song where the day goes slow. Every laugh's a harmony, we don't need need to know. I drive by that riverside, trees still lean the same. I park a while and close my eyes, hear mama call my name. Funny how the quiet days end up staying. Fried chicken wrapped in paper thin, kids run wild, shoes kicked in. Daddy hums an old refrain, radio low, sky wide open. That Sunday picnic song plays soft and strong, teaching us the simple truth that being there was enough. If I could bottle afternoons, I'd keep this one where love didn't say a thing, it just showed up. This Sunday picnic song still sings along whenever life gets louder. I come back where I belong. Blanket folded, sun dips low, song stays playing, soft and slow. Laughing rides on dusty air, wheels complain but don't care. Going nowhere, getting there. On memory lane, I passed that field on a county road. Corn's all gone, the barn's been sold. But every fall my heart still knows that sound. Funny how a simple ride can take you back in time. Straw in our hair, laughing in vain. Old songs hum in the wooden frame of a trailer pulled by yesterday. Friday night, flannel and boots, hands held tight under harvest moon. Cold air biting, hearts brand new. Back then, those hair rides through memory lane. Bumpy roads, but we love the pain. Every mile a name we claim. Couldn't ask for a smoother line. Just one more lap, one more night in the dark. Lantern sway, someone sings. Stars lean in to listen. Fire rides through memory lane. They don't roll forward, they remain. Teaching hearts to feel again what time can't change. We'll slow down, but the ride stays. Bells on Sunday morning ring slow across the field, calling hearts that need forgiving, saying things we never hear. I sit alone in the second pew, same old hymn, different view. Hands more tight, hair more gray, still praying the same old way. Church bells on Sunday morning sound like home to me. Every note a reminder of who I tried to be. Mama pressed my Sunday shirt, Daddy parked behind the line. I swung my feet above the floor, learning grace before my time. Didn't know those wooden doors were teaching me what matters more. Church bells on Sunday morning ringing loud and clear. Even when I wander far, they still find my ear. If heaven's got a waiting room, I know what it sounds like there. Soft bells and whispered amens floating through the air. Church bells on Sunday morning don't judge, they just remind. No matter how far I've fallen, grace still keeps time. Bells fade out, world moves on. The faith still hum, soft and strong. Jarring light by the river bend, summer nights that never end. We caught the dark with open hands, back when life was just a plan. Fireflies of long ago lit a path we didn't know. Every wish we let them go still glows inside my soul. Now the nights are quiet still, porch light hums on broken dreams. Kids don't chase the dark no more, or maybe that's just me. Barefoot running through the yard, mama yelling don't go far, laughing till the moon got tired. We were young and wired with fire. Didn't know those sparks would fade or come back this way. Fireflies long ago taught us how to shine then go. Little lights in mason jars made us feel like shooting stars. If I could catch one more tonight, I wish for less regret. Let it glow, then set it free, like everything I never cared. Fireflies from long ago still know places I don't show. When the world feels cold and slow, they remind me who I was. One by one they dim the sky, but never say goodbye. Fresh white lines in the morning sun, covering scars we can't outrun. Same old boards, different shade, fences painted white again. I walk the yard with a borrowed brush. Quiet house, but the paint smells new. Every stroke brings back a voice saying, son, some things are up to you. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Summer days in cut-off jeans, Dad laughed loud, Mom kept time. We dripped paint on the grass, swore we'd fix it all next time. Didn't know we were sealing it, every memory. Fences painted white again, hiding cracks and old regrets. Not to lie, but to remind. Love can heal what time forgets. If forgiveness had a color, looks something like this. Bright enough to face the truth, soft enough to miss. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Needle sings and lamplight low, scraps of years laid row by row. Every tear, every smile, folded in to last a while. A quilt stitched with memories, pulled up to my chin. Every patch a chapter I'm living in. It's thinner now along the seam, colors soft like old time dreams. Still it keeps the cold away in that faithful quiet way. Funny how the worn out threads hold the strongest ends. Sunday dresses, workday jeans, baby blankets, teenage schemes. She'd hum low while stitching tight, teaching love by candlelight. A quilt stitched with memories, never once complained. Took the weight of every year and stayed the same. If I ever feel the chill or wonder where I've been, I wrap myself in yesterday and start again. Stitched with memories, ain't cloth, it's time, sewn together by the hands that shaped my life. The light goes dim, seams still gleam, warmth remembers me. Morning rain on red clay ground, barefoot tracks go weaving round. Sun comes up, dries what it can, leaves a mark on every man. Footprints in the red clay don't wash clean away. Every step I ever took still knows my name. Road looks paved where dirt once ran, same old hill, a different plan. I slowed down where I used to race, let the past set my pace. Funny how the ground still sees who we're trying to be. bank shore. Didn't know the earth would keep every promise made in a leap. Footprints in the red clay, side by side and crossed. Every fall, every stand shows what it cost. If I ever doubt the road or wonder where I've been, I look down at where I started and remember when. Those footprints in the red clay ain't stuck in yesterday. They're the map that leads me home when I've lost my way. Rain moves on, earth stays red, steps fade slow, but led. Just dancing in the light, wooden desks and borrowed time, names and dates on fading boards. Felt like forever back before. Chalk dust and memories on my hand, in my head. Lessons more than numbers are the ones I never read. Hallway echoes call my name, lockers rust but feel the same. I passed that school on my way home. Slow down more than I let on. Funny how the smallest sign teaches the longest line. Missed the bus, erased mistakes, love notes folded in my book. Learn to laugh, learn to wait, learn more than the test we took. Chalk dust memories smudge the years, but stay. Every wrong and every right still graze me to this day. If I could raise my hand again and ask what matters most, I'd thank those days for teaching me what they never wrote. Chalk dust and memories ain't clean, ain't clear, but they still outline the shape of how I ended up here. Bell rings once, then fades away, but the lesson stays.